Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Polo. It's a 1.2 TDI. So fantastic running costs with one of these, cheap insurance and everything else. It's a 5-door model. It's finished in grey, as you can see. It's got the privacy glass. It's part exchange to clear, but really is quite a clean and well presented car, and it'll still come with 12 months MOT, as all our cars do, and it's HPI clear. Most of the details will be on the advert, so if you do have any questions or want to check the spec, then please do give us a call. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is just so you don't have a wasted trip, and you know if you set off for the car it will be available. As always, if you've got any questions or like to arrange a viewing, give us a call. Thanks for watching.